Everyone who works on genetic disease is the recipient of letters from families. And heartbreaking does not begin to describe it. I cried less than an hour ago watching this extraordinary, I might cry again, video of a girl whose sister has Rett, and she talks about how much it would mean to her if something were done. So what I take more than anything from this meeting is the convergence of the unmet need, the various technologies, the regulators, the scientists, both in the for-profit and not-for-profit sector, where we are no longer in the planning stages. This is real. The one thing we've learned about how to build a cure for genetic disease is we have to put as many different technologies for those diseases into the clinic and learn as much as we can from human clinical trials. I'm not saying we have to try everything, but we have to do trials for every approach that has meaningful clinical promise. It's not just that we can now attain molecular outcomes that we did not dream of 20 years ago. We can repair the change in the DNA, we can repair the change in the RNA, we can reawaken the silent gene. I mean, not one of those things was conceptualizable 20 years ago. You know, we academics tend to have the excellent as the enemy of the good. We always want to, you know, polish our little molecular therapeutic to just an additional level of shine. And I think we need to be jolted, frankly, by the reality of the predicament of folks with the disease and their families.
These are things that we parents are thinking about daily, and we are just so grateful to have the opportunity to be here, to hear the excitement of what you're focusing on, but also we appreciate the opportunity to tell you what this means to us. Like, we are so grateful.
I lack the vocabulary to compliment the RSRT for making this disease not just visible and important, but being an extraordinary rising tide that has lifted the boats. I don't think we're in the home stretch. I think we're turning towards the home stretch. But we have to understand that that home stretch will be a long one. And so now is the time to use all of the momentum one has built. And with the support of the RSRT, run as hard and as fast as we can.